Hi everyone, it's Geordie. Just a quick little video to show you what I've been up to. This weekend I made some flowers. Scratch just had a tutorial on how to make these with seam binding, pearls and tulle. I made a few in a few different colours and I was just wanting to show you those. And that one. And then SA Crafter did a tutorial on these. They're a sewn flower. This is used with calico, and you can use your glimmer mist to spray them whatever colour that you would like, and it's quite a sturdy, firm flower. And then after that I tried some flowers that Jules from the Jewel Box had put on there, so I did that one. And then after that I thought I'd do a combination of SA Crafters flowers and the Jewel Box, and this is what I came up with. It's the same as SA Crafters, where it's a circular flower which you stitch and then you hot glue it together, and then it's the frayed edges like the one that Jules on the Jewel Box. So I made a combination of a few of these. That one's a maroon one, and then there's this pink one and another pink one, and these are just the ones that the Jewel Box had done, where it was just a sewn flower with a frayed edge. So yeah, they're the different flowers I tried this weekend. Thanks for watching.